Honorable Titus so Pebuga.
Honorable Daniel Ni Quartet Titus Glover. We pop this champagne in the name of the Father, the Son. Ella way, but 5 cups in the brand. I didn't know you. That's it. I money now.
Okay, now this one is for you. To long life.
Yeah.
To good health. Yeah. To prosperity. To expansion. To growth.
Yeah.
And confirm. We appreciate you. In fact, that's on some day. Since when?
In fact, to next General Secretary of MPP. I can't also. From National Organizer to General Secretary.
Oh,
yeah,
okay, so here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Pa Adam.
Here we go.
Pa Adam.
Here we go.
Pa Adam. That's right. Shemano. I was your brother Facebook number here. Ya GNI. Oye wala. Ya GNI. Edempa. That's right. The mama ne anya cheers lafi. Yembo Bugano. The Bugano say the celebrity title. Hey, I shall have a jodi. See get up shema me. Hey.
Kwasi.
Me chawabo. Ayanka wa shia mami o.
Mas. Anya rough.
Oze ayanka wa shia. Ayu no me man. Ayu man. Ayu on managing Facebook like that. Confiance away. Hey, okay. Share managing a baila wa high shower. I was your Facebook. A man who fire near my edge, never show.
So we are celebrating.
Yeah.
A great man.
Honorable Daniel
Ni Quartet
Titus Glover. Former member of Parliament. Tema East constituency. Or contesting national organizer for MPP.
Yes, okay, so we are drinking.
Yeah.
To good health.
Yeah.
To long life.
That's right.
To greatness.
That's right.
To glory.
That's right. To
money.
Money. Basile, Machumbere mason Canadian. Oh, dear cow, dear good title of us. Kabi.
So was this can now and now go money is coming. Amen. So we are next time when the second
Amen. Cheers.
Honorable Daniel Ni Quartet Titus Glover, when you need. That's right, you're celebrating Honorable Daniel Ninkwate Titus Glover. In fact, one of the solid brains on the show, Sania Yano, Tumberi Madia Duswa, we're celebrating. We believe in our guests because it's easy to be sorry how much in our bar. And you'll be on a baha or to me speaking to the issues. And sometimes it's so challenging as a presenter out here. Sometimes don't to make sure communicate to say, I'm going to be your casafe. If I don't number be na issue, so number be. But of course, I mean, here Judy Yajiwedi, Honorable Daniel Ninkwate Titus Glover. In fact, congratulations, and Yankopon dia feedback wa ka won fie. We know that it is well. Let him say, and the pa Eddie when him.